Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are making slime, and we are first starting off with glue in the bowl. And now we're putting baking soda. And what I'm trying to do is make sure that I have no baking soda on the side of my bowl, so that's why it's going to probably take me a while. And I think I need a little bit more. Mommy, can you go get the warm water? Thank you. And my mommy is going to get the warm water ready, because I'm going to be putting warm water in contact. Don't put too much. I have to tell her not to put too much, because I'm telling her not to put too much because sometimes she might put too much. Now I am going to do fruit cone, and I will be making blue slime. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 drops of blue. Now I'm mixing it. Ooh, this is a really pretty blue. This is a really pretty blue. On the camera it looks really light gray, but it's actually blue. This is gonna take me a while. Okay, now I am ready. Wait, no I'm not. Now I'm ready. So what I'm gonna do is add some of my hot water. It's okay. It's gonna mix it up. Here's how it's looking. Now I'm opening up my contacts. There. Now I'm putting more contacts. And I'm adding more water. There. This is really tiring. Mommy, do you think I should add contacts into my water? I should. Like, no? Yeah. This is really sticky. Oh my gosh. It's not ready. Okay, now I think the slime is almost ready. And then next, after my slime is ready, we will put beads in it. And I already made one, so I'm going to show you that as a video. Gosh. This looks so cool. I don't think it's quite ready. I'm not going to attempt to put my hand. Do not worry, that is the house. Okay, I'm back. I had to hang up. No, but I didn't answer the phone. I have so many bubbles in my slime. I have so many bubbles. I wonder if this is gonna be a fail. The last time I made it wasn't a fail, so this shouldn't be a fail.
Looks fine to me. Have you touched it?
No, yes, I touched it. The first time I touched it, it wasn't good. I think it's almost ready. It's ready! I think it's ready. Scoop it up.
Oh my God.
That's the house phone. I hate the house phone because it always interrupts.
Hello?
Oh, whoa.
She's not here.
This is so cool. Oh,
She just left
it's
you.
ready. Oh no. I don't think it's ready yet. Maybe I can add some more contact. Hopefully this
Are you
works.
excited?
Hopefully this works. If it doesn't, I'm gonna probably have to start over. But I don't want to use all my gallons of glue because I want to keep making some more. Guys, I just snapped this spoon. Oh my goodness. This is my first time on YouTube, so yeah. Because I just got my YouTube account today, so this is my first time ever on YouTube. I am so confused right now. I just like picked up my whole entire slime. my slime is ready to touch. Because it's nice and ready, so let's pick it up. Oh my gosh. Whoa. I accidentally picked up smooth. Yeah, I didn't make a lot of slime, but like the rest of the slime was like in bowls. So stretchy. Now it's almost time for me to put beads in. And then put that slime back in there. I first have to get all the slime off of my spoon because I don't want to waste all my good slime. My slime feels so good. Even though it feels like kind of fluffy, but I didn't put anything fluffy in it. I think the hot water makes it fluffy. I think the hot water in the contacts makes it fluffy. Maybe it's contacts. I don't know because I'm not that professional at it. I just let people do it and whatever they do. I just do it to my slime and then if it works, I just keep doing it to my slime. This is the second batch of slime I've made today. And I do 2 videos every day. So this is my first video today, so I have to do 1 more video. Oh my gosh. This is so good. I learned a lesson from people who do slime on YouTube. You just have to play with your slime and it won't stick to your hands anymore. See? It's not sticking to my hand. And some people are making edible slime. And some people are making edible slime, like some people on YouTube when they're making slime, edible slime, like they put a lot of baking soda in, like the stuff gets stuck to their hands, but they're making regular slime that's not happening to me. My slime is already crunchy when I haven't put anything crunchy in it yet. I'm just gonna spread it out. Woo. Ugh. Time to get the world of beads out. What one am I going to do today? I think I will do a pink one. What pink am I gonna do? Let's do this pink. Getting these things out is so hard. That's why my mommy was just here a minute ago. I think I almost got it. Yay! Nope. I will be right back. My mommy a while because she accidentally broke it, so. And I will be using these beads. Even though I was going to say these beads, they just all just splashed off. These beads are so cutesy. It makes the slime look so adorable. Yeah, I love crunchy slime. I love crunchy slime, fluffy slime, and cloud slime. I don't even know if there's such thing as cloud slime. And I love fishbowl slime. I've never made fishbowl slime on my channel. I made it in real life and then it came out terrible, but it felt really cool. But yeah. This is gonna take me a while. Yeah. Might as well talk while I'm doing it. That's a lot. Is it making the slime turn pink? Oh no. Hopefully not, because last time I put this on, into this one. Hopefully it does nothing to my booth. It's so squishy. It'll feel you squishy. Oh, I didn't put none in this area. Cause when I made my purple crunchy slime, I used like the whole 1 pack of it. Well, not the whole blue thing, just no, the one I was using, I used the whole entire thing. And I'm like, oh my gosh, why did I do such a stupid thing? Like, such a weird thing. But I don't know why I would do like the whole thing, but I guess I just wanted to make sure I filled in every single one of the areas. See, I've almost used the whole thing. That's how serious I am about my slime. I like use the whole entire thing. Oh my gosh. I almost used the whole thing. Why do I always use the whole thing? That's just so weird. Now, why didn't you go to elevator? My slime has bubbles in it. It just had 2 bubbles in it. And then I popped them. This slime is so stretchy. You can see the purple dots. It's like, I don't know what it's like. What? I didn't pick up the slime. You know an easy way to clean your bowl? What you do is just get your slime, then you just like stick your slime to the sides and then it starts to get clean. But I don't have to do that because me and my mommy got myself my own bowl at Target. Oh my goodness, it's peeling. Oh, this is so stretchy. It's been 18 minutes already. This song is just so satisfying. I can't stop playing with it. It is so satisfying. And I have like this little bin where I like put my slime at. And I'm putting my blue slime in there. And here is the purple slime I am showing you guys. It's purple and has beads in it. It has pink beads in it. And here are all the pink beads I used in it. Oh, I'm like, please don't go in my water. And it seems like some of the beads came out of it. I'm just gonna put some purple ones. Or whatever. Pink, purple, whatever. This is the first slime I have made that has ever worked. Oh no, this slime is not that good anymore, but I know I made it. Oh, I have a one that's good. I have one that is good. My case is falling apart. My case is... Here is my